Welcome dear, welcome back at the Just Sawdust workshop. I will have to clean this place out now because I was routing that circle, and as you know there's not a good dust extraction here in the workshop, but that's what I'm working on. In the meanwhile, when I'm cleaning up this place and get all this dust out again, you can look at a message from Marva, who received the ukulele I made for her. And I hope you enjoyed that, and then we'll come back and start working on our dust extraction tower, or whatever we want to call it.
On Wednesday, November 3rd, UPS picked up a shipment at Garrett Clausen's workshop in Portugal. By late afternoon on Friday, the package had landed in Kansas, its contents safely swaddled in a sturdy padded carrying case, a Dutch postal bag cleverly repurposed by Garrett, the master of creative reclamation. The neck of the instrument, a tenor scale ukulele Portuguese cavaquinho hybrid, is about the length of my longest chef's knife, and the body of similar dimensions to the hardback library book I happen to be reading right now. The highly figured and textured top wood is spalted cherry from the Netherlands. The sturdy and ingenious one-piece back, side, and neck of the instrument is made from reclaimed, recycled mahogany from an old staircase, which is a good reason to do a little demo of the cavalele in front of the staircase. I borrowed the chord progressions from Lennon and McCartney's song, I Will. Although the strings are still stretching and settling a bit, overall the intonation is quite good, and the tone and projection rather remarkable for an instrument that's only as thick as a good novel. What a pleasure to be the new owner of a playable work of art by a Dutch craftsman living in Portugal. Thanks, Garrett.
Now, isn't that the greatest compliment you can get? Such a nice video. I'm over the moon. But we go on with making things, and this video I'm going to try to make a dust collection tower, which is nothing else than a vacuum cleaner, a Cyclone, and an old vacuum cleaner as the dustbin. Whether that works, I don't know. I'm just going to try. We'll see. try this out. Put a bit of tape on it. It will hold, I think, but just to see if we got some suction. So this is closed, and normally the hose comes out here and then goes in there, but why not make a hole in the bottom of the vacuum cleaner and do it directly. So that works. Makes a lot of noise, but so what I've got to do now is close this hole. I want to make, I don't know, glass in here or whatever, because I want to see how full the drum is. This can just be closed, and then I've got to make those little clips, make some holes in here so they click down, but just by the suction it's really doing well. So yeah, I think this experiment works. To show you the, how shall we call it, sawdust tower or dust extraction tower, I don't know. It's the old vacuum cleaner from the workshop that broke down. Then there's the Cyclone, and then there's the little Vonroc mini vacuum cleaner. It can even suck up water and things like that, but isn't usable here. Luckily I got the original fitting that was inside this little vacuum cleaner directly onto the Cyclone, and so I can take off, got to turn it, well, I can take off the hose and put it in here so it actually fits. And now it's all about, does it work? Got some sawdust on the floor, so let's see. Well, that works perfectly. The nice thing is that everything's on here, so all the stuff that you need to put on if you want to, and it's not that heavy. I can just lift it up, and it's on wheels, so and probably I can see when it's fully sawdust. It's not like a see-through, it's a bit of matte plastic, but that's the only stuff I could find. So whatever, it works, and it's a small thing if you look at the space it takes up on the floor. So yeah, pretty happy with my sawdust extraction tower or whatever. So that's it for this video. I hope to see you again in the next one, and I'm going to thoroughly clean up this workshop now, and there's another project next week at the logo.